It's not something you might think about, but many kids in our area still need food to eat during spring break. Coming up here on WECT News, I'll tell you more about this great program and how it's making a difference in our community.
Packing boxes full of food to help fight hunger in our community. Volunteers started their 2-day spring break packing session about an hour ago. And WECT's Amanda Weston is there checking all of this out, seeing the hard work getting done to make sure people have food. So who will this food go to, Amanda?
Well, it's not something that a lot of people might think about. It's kids who rely on school meals and that over spring break they may not have access to those. So there are about 100 volunteers putting together 10 days worth of meals for these kids. We've got everything: snacks, dinners, I've seen noodles, rice, soup, all of that going in there, and it's to really help these kids. A lot of them do rely on school lunches, and it is a problem that when they are out of school for spring break, that's 10 days worth of food that they are not getting from their school cafeterias. So volunteers here are really trying to combat that and make sure all kids have something to eat over that spring break holiday. And I'm here with Angie with the Junior League right now. So why is this such an important program for our community?
Well, there are plenty of kids, and 1 in 4 actually children in New Hanover County go without food over the weekend. So the Junior League of Wilmington, when we partnered with NourishNC, really wanted to find an organization that can help bridge that gap for children over the weekend.
Mm-hmm. And what does it mean to have close to 100 volunteers out here supporting this great project?
Well, when we partnered with NourishNC, we were working specifically at DC Virgo, providing food to that school over the weekend. And throughout our partnership, we realized that it's not just children at DC Virgo who need meals over the weekend. NourishNC actually serves 28 other schools. So when we come together for this spring break packing, we are actually packing the boxes for over 600 families during spring break so that they can have those 10 meals that they typically would not have had.
That's incredible. Wow, that's such an awesome program. I definitely wish you guys the best of luck as you continue. There's still a lot of packing to be done here. I can see lots of food still left on the table, but you guys are doing awesome work. So if you do want to come out here and support, I understand volunteers will be out here tomorrow too.
Absolutely.
Yeah. So if you are interested, you can maybe come out, see if you can help out. Reporting live in Wilmington, Amanda Weston, WECT News.
All right, thanks, Amanda. Good work out there from the Junior League and NourishNC.